Hey, this is Mark Nelson coming to you from Norris Lake, and I am in a glary sunshine. I thought what I do is come out. This is, if you've ever seen me doing a live or pictures in the morning, I walk out here. This is my wife and I have a RV slip out here on Norris Lake. Norris Lake is actually the damn Clinch River, they call it in Tennessee. There's 880 miles of shoreline. It's just stinking amazing. We are in the cleanest part of the lake, and it is truly a lake. It's goes 250 feet deep. They have dropped the level of this 20 feet in the winters just for spring flooding. But you can tell as I go here, that's the marina. Those are the big houseboats. Those very rarely leave their slips. And those are party boats. There's some people up on there today in the sun. It is well into the 60s today. Sun's out, so there's pre-Super Bowl parties. If you can see Mako down there, there he is. He enjoys coming on this walk just for having some fun. But I just thought I'd share with it on here. This was a dream of somebody's. They call it TVA. This a group of people rented this and started this waterside marina. At one time it was just RVs. Now it's 3 condos, and I think they have over 500 slips. And I met one of the owners, and earlier I made a video about dreams. This guy that I talked to was just a friend of a friend who started investing, and they own all this and other properties on the lake or lease it. And if you can imagine 500 slips going from $150 to $400 a month, they haul in some money. Not talking about the condos, but hey, it is where it's at. This is the coolest place in the world. I'm going to head back out. We tried to take our pontoon out, and I was always told I belong to the $1,000 club because the motors always break down, and yesterday it broke down. I can't go nowhere. I was bummed, but that's the way it is. So my dog Mako and I are out for a walk, just chilling out. I grew up on water, and I had this dream to get back to water. We were away from water for 20 years. And if you think dreams don't work, you're stinking thinking, because dreams work. So I just want to ask you, what is your big dream? Because I'm not done. My goal is to help people just like me that have had life bite them in the butt and just kind of chew them up backwards, but yet your dreams keep coming true. That's who I want to help. So if you're one of those people, I'm going to stick a link in the comments below. It's called startadidigitallifestyle.com, and see if it's for you, because that's what I'm doing. It's so exciting. But you all take care. We will talk again soon. I gotta go finish my walk. Bye.